Good morning, class 5th. How are you? I hope you are fine. So this is your maths period. Take out your maths notebook and your maths book. Open your maths notebook and write down today's date, classwork, and then write down the heading division of fractions. After that, write down the name of exercise 4D. Alright? Exercise 4D. So we have done two questions, question 1 and question 2 till now. Today we'll do question number 3 of exercise 4D. Simplify. So note down question number 3. Simplify. Now note down part A. 4 1/6 divided by 1/9. So this is the question. 4 1/6 divided by 1/9. So this is in mixed fraction. Firstly, we'll change it into improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24 and 24 plus 1, 25/6 divided by 9 1s are 9 and 9 1s are 9 and 9 plus 1, 10/9. Alright. Now we'll divide it. So 25/6 in the place of division, put multiplication sign and then write the reciprocal of 10/9, which is 9/10. Now 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 3 upon 2 into 2. 5 3s are 15 upon 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are 15 and 2 2s are 4. Now this is in improper fraction, so we'll change it into mixed fraction. So take a rough paper and divide 15 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Subtract 12 from 15. Remainder is 3. So quotient remainder upon divisor. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 3 and divisor is 4. So answer is 3 3/4. 3 3/4 is the answer. Now note down part C. Part C is 2 1/2 divided by 3 3/4. This is the question. 2 1/2 divided by 3 3/4. This is in mixed fraction. So firstly we'll change it into an improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 5/2 divided by 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 3 15/4. Now we'll divide it. So 5/2 in the place of division, put multiplication sign and then write down the reciprocal of 15/4, which is 4/15. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So 1 into 2 upon 1 into 3. So 1 2s are 2 upon 1 3s are 3. So answer is 2/3. हम इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में नहीं निकाल सकते क्योंकि ये एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. ओके. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, नोट डाउन पार्ट F. Note down part F. 1 divided by 3 upon 4. 1 divided by 3 upon 4. So 1 divided by 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 3 15 upon 4. Alright. Now 1, in the place of division put multiplication sign and then write down the reciprocal of 15 upon 4, which is 4 upon 15. Now 1 के denominator में कोई number नहीं है तो we'll consider it as 1. Now 1 into 4 is equals to 4 upon 1 into 15 is equals to 15. 4 upon 15. Again this is a proper fraction, so we cannot change it into mixed fraction. Now children, note down part H. Part H is 25 divided by 5 upon 8. 25 divided by 5 upon 8. So 25 के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो we'll consider it as 1. In the place of division put multiplication sign and then write down the reciprocal of 5 upon 8, which is 8 upon 5. Alright. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. So 5 into 8 upon 1 into 1. So 5 8s are 40 upon 1. 1 ones are 1. So 40 upon 1 means 40. किसी भी नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर में अगर 1 होता है तो आंसर क्या होता है? दैट नंबर. Now class, note down part K. Part K is 1 upon 4 upon 3 upon 4. This is part K. अब हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? So firstly 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. इस डिवाइड की जगह हम क्या लगा देंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. ओके. इस अपॉन की जगह हम क्या लगा देंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. एंड देन 3 अपॉन 4 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? 4 अपॉन 3. ओके. नाउ 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? 1 अपॉन 3. 1 upon 3. So this is the answer. Now note down part M. Note down part M, which is 14 upon 15 whole upon 4 9 by 10. This is the question. So firstly 14 upon 15. 14 upon 15. This divide, इसकी प्लेस पे हम क्या लगाएंगे? मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन. एंड देन यहाँ पे हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 14 upon 15. So 10 4s are 40 and 40 plus 9, 49 upon 10. 14/15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 49/10 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? 10/49. Now 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So 14 into 2/3 into 49. Now 14 2s are 28/3 into 49. So 49 multiplied by 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. So 147. Now 7 4s are 28 and divide 147 by 7. 7 2s are 14. Subtract 0. Bring down this 7. 7 1s are 7. So answer is 21. So 4/21. Again, this is a proper fraction, so we can't change it into mixed fraction. Okay? Complete this question. Now children, mark your homework. Open your maths book and come to exercise 4D, question number 3, part B, part D, part E, part G, part L and part N. These are your homework for today. These 6 questions, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These 6 questions are your homework for today. You have to do these 6 questions in your notebook, okay, in a very neat and clean handwriting. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much, class 5th. Take care. Bye bye.